Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me for Valentine's Day. So let's just get started. First I'm going to be taking my Tarte primer and pressing this into my T-zone, anywhere I feel like I have larger pores. I'm going to be using my Maybelline Superstay foundation today. I am in the color Classic Ivory. I did have a spray tan here, so it looks a little light. This foundation does oxidize, but I hadn't washed it off yet. So I'm just using my beauty blender and pouncing that all over my face and my eyes to have a blank canvas for eyeshadow. Now I'm using my Coty Airspun and I'm just kind of dusting it onto my eyelids. Today I'm going to be using the Modern Renaissance Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm taking the color Bouillon Fresco and just blending that all into my crease as my transition. Now I'm taking the color Love Letter and I'm going to pop that on the outer corner and the inner corner. And just blend that in and take whatever's left over on the brush and just blend that in the crease. Now I'm taking Venetian Red and I'm doing the same thing just to kind of deepen it up. And I keep using a clean brush in between to dust off and blend. Now I'm taking Red Ochre and I'm going to focus that on the outer corner and in the crease and then blending it out again. Now I'm taking the color Primavera and I'm going to pop that right on the center of my eyelid to brighten it all up. I'm using that brush that I used earlier, but I'm not adding any product, and I'm just using that to blend so it's a smooth transition. Now I'm taking Tempera and popping that right on the brow bone. And then I use the clean side to blend that out. This is a really old glitter eyeliner. I think it was like from Walgreens in the Halloween section. But it's just giving me a nice sticky base so I can pop on some other glitter. And I just pat that out with a flat synthetic brush. This is just like no name brand glitter, just gold glitter. And I'm making sure it's patted on with a brush. And then just blending out the crease, make sure I don't have any shimmer in there. Now I'm just taking a makeup wipe and cleaning up any of the fallout glitter. This is why I always do my concealer after my eyeshadow. And I'm just taking my Tarte Shape Tape and I'm going to pop that under the eyes in a V form and down the side of my nose to kind of reverse contour. Now I'm taking my Jordana cream contour and I'm just going to put that on my cheekbones, my forehead, and a V shape kind of on my chin and on the bottom of the back of my jaw. And I'm just using a flat top brush and kind of stippling that to blend it outwards towards my hairline. Now I'm going to use my beauty blender and bounce that under my eyes to blend out that concealer. Now I'm just using that same stick cream contour to contour my nose. Now I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me concealer and I'm just going to highlight. And I'm also going to flip this around and use the flat side that I used for my foundation and just make sure everything is blended out. I'm not adding any more product. Now I'm just taking that Coty Airspun powder and just pressing that underneath my eyes and everywhere to set that concealer. Now I'm going to use this Wet n Wild pressed powder and I'm just going to lightly tap into that with a brush. I'm just using that to dust away any excess powder. Now I'm taking my new favorite, this Milani Baked Bronzer, and it's really gorgeous, and I'm just going to warm up the face. Now I'm taking my Butter Bronzer and I'm putting it on my favorite Real Techniques brush and I just stipple that. It blends so easy. I'm taking this Tarte blush in the shade Party and I'm just going to put that on the cheeks. I also put a little on the forehead and I dust it across my nose because I just feel like it makes me look sun-kissed. Now I'm using my Master Chrome highlight and I'm going to pop this on the high points of my cheeks. We are being extra today. And I've been putting this right at the top of my eyebrow lately. I just feel like it makes my face have more dimension, so. I'm taking that Bouillon Fresco and just running it down my lash line, and then I'm also lightly dipping into Love Letter, Venetian Red, and Red Ochre and running that closer, and I'm popping my highlight in the inner corner, as usual. Now I'm taking this Urban Decay All-Nighter. This is like my secret weapon. I spray this all over my face, and then I very lightly touch my skin, and it really makes your face look so polished and not powdery at all. So now I'm taking my angled liner brush and I dipped in the color Cypress Umber, and I'm just running that on the outer lash line to kind of give a little wing, but it's not like a harsh wing. And I'm just filling in my brows with this NYX pencil. And I'm using my favorite mascara, the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, and just putting on a quick little coat before I put on lashes. I'm using these Ardell Lash Trios and this Duo Glue, and I'm going to be focusing real hard because I'm terrible at lashes. And then I use my black liner and kind of run in between so you can't see any strips anywhere. Now I'm taking my Wet n Wild lip liner in the color Bear to Comment, and my Tarte lip paint in the color Birthday Suit. Now we're gonna do a lipstick check for our teeth. And I'm gonna use my Beach Waver Big Surprise, and I'm gonna kind of fast forward through this. I have a tutorial I will link. I kind of did it just loose curls here. Okay, so on to outfits. My first choice is some sweatpants and a sweater and fuzzy socks. Just kidding. Okay, so I'll start with my jewelry. I have this necklace from Forever 21. Got these earrings from Forever 21 as well. The middle gold ring is from Amazon. The midi ring is from Forever 21 as well. Now I got this red shirt from TJ Maxx. It with my Joe's jeans that I showed in my Amazon haul. I'm going to show you guys a few ways that I would style this. First, I started with some leopard pumps and my Pochette Matisse bag. Next, I have that leopard clutch, and I changed into these shoes that I got from Target. I can't remember the brand. I'll list them down below, but they're really cute and comfy. So I just like the pop of cheetah. Now, if you want to be really uncomfortable, you can wear some nude pumps. These Louboutins are super uncomfortable, but they go with everything, so you can play with the accessories like the pink little clutch or the cheetah. But if you're wearing these shoes, I recommend wine because they hurt. I hope you guys enjoyed this little get ready with me for Valentine's Day or date night. I actually will probably spend Valentine's Day on the couch watching Netflix in sweatpants. Taylor and I always celebrate at home, and we cook a nice dinner and play games and whatever. I may vlog it. I may actually wear my Valentine's outfit, so don't judge me if you see that. Be sure to subscribe down below if you haven't, and I will talk to you guys really soon. Dream of you.